Hi, my name is Parth Kelkar. Priyanshu Saab behind the camera, and we are Strike Automotives. Stick around because we are about to show you how to uncover that hidden value in the second-hand market.
The journey begins by setting your budget. It's not just about the price tag on the vehicle, it's the total cost of ownership.
Consider registration, insurance, and potential repairs. That sleek ride might seem cheap at first, but hidden costs add up fast. Now, don't be fooled by the pictures of a shiny paint and a clean dashboard shown on the website. Check the description and details mentioned in the ad and look for unusual or too good to believe kind of information. And try to get the seller on call and have a good understanding. Go ahead and fix up a meet and look at the vehicle in person. Just start with a full inspection. Check the body for dents, rusts, and don't forget to check the tires and the exhaust.
Take a close look at the engine. Oil leaks or worn out belts can be red flags.
Next is mileage. While low mileage is a plus, don't dismiss a higher reading. That's where the service history comes in. Make sure to ask for it because a well-kept record shows that the owner cared about their ride. Here's a pro tip. Always bring a mechanic with you because he's the only one who can point out the main mistakes or the hindrances that the previous owner made. Maybe the shocks, maybe the engine, something might be knocking. So yeah, it's better to bring a mechanic with you. Enough. Never skip the test drive. This is where you'll feel how the car or the bike rides. Listen for odd noises, check the brakes, and pay attention to how it rides overall. If anything feels off, go with your gut, listen to your mechanic's advice, and then take a decision.
We would like to thank Appa Swami Cars for making this video possible.
We understand that buying a brand new car is a dream for many, which is why people buy first hand cars. But for some people, like us car enthusiasts, look for the most amount of performance and spend as low as we can. Because nowadays, you can find a decent mid 2010s BMW 530D for the same price as a brand new Tata Nexon. And who wants a Tata Nexon when you can get a inline 6 3-liter BMW? And this is just an example. And I understand that many would argue that the maintenance is significantly higher for such cars. Which is why we are making this video, so that you can get the perfect car for yourself by doing thorough checks. Because we here at Strike Automotives truly believe that if you take good care of your car and do regular maintenance, the car will take care of your wallet. To be honest, if you really wish to get a brand new car, you should go ahead and do it. And we understand that getting a brand new car for yourself is kind of a big deal. Which is why we insist that you get a used one from verified dealers around you. Or you can call the number down in the description below. And make sure that the ownership transfer is smooth and don't forget to get your insurance. This would have been a great cue for a sponsor. Oh well. With us, you will be provided with all the things necessary to ensure a smooth and easy way to buy a vehicle. You can trust us more than you can trust your wife or husband. Now, getting a used vehicle is like giving it a new lease of life. Because with growing traffic in urban cities such as Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, it's probably not a good idea to add more new cars into the traffic. And in the end, the right second-hand car can be just as valuable as a new one. And just as they say, old is gold. Remember these tips and contact us, and we will help you strike gold in your second-hand purchase. See you all in the next one. Happy hunting. चेयर क्यों लेके जाओ रहने देना क्यों लेके जाओ हैप्पी हंटिंग